The Meghalaya Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association had felicitated students who had got through the SSLC, HSSLC and degree examinations 2021. A cash amount was also awarded to meritorious students. The leader of THMAU RANGLI JUKI, Angela RANGAD, while speaking after the function, informed that all 41 students who were felicitated belong to parents who are either hawkers or street vendors across the city. Expressing her joy at the achievement of the students, Angela RANGAD said that despite the inability to attend classes in the previous year, yet the students had achieved success, which she attributes to their hard work and determination. She also appreciated the DORBAR SHNONG UMSOHSUN for their support by allowing tuition classes to be conducted for the students at the hall situated in the locality. RANGAD also added that the 4 tutors who belong to parents of the association are qualified with a degree to their name.
Kibala pas ke kelas 10, kelas 12, kidon kibala dep ya graduation. But nakaliang jongka seng kinong di madan. Kipenlong gani ka program ban kitbok kit ruang yaki, ban ai kublay yaki. But sau ku way ngot kikna, kikon jongi. Wat lada mencim snem kisem jing hadu kata-kata na markadan ka klam, hemlong ke kelas. Hendrei kakajing persang jongki. Kia clear ya ke exam kidon katukat ni naki sipomot naki lele kidele bha do go way de uni celestine marak but ki way ki bayo letters habun ki subject science math but ni snow flow hadu kata ba dalong sakat dalong group kia hun but kia yo head yu tau so dongka jingjok but ni kwa ruban ai kublay ya saumut kna samla kiba menshim snem Kia rap ya kane kaseng ke kinong di madan kung kinong hikai hapor bala unlock ha November, December, January nia long ki class ha UMSOHSUN ha hall ba ai move ha ka dorbar ni ko ai kublay ru ya ka dorbar SHNONG UMSOHSUN ka ba ai ni ban pendon kami tu ka jaka ha ka ba ki khon demi kila banyawan ba kini ki saung kinong hikai ki yo ban ai jing hikai ki kat bala ha itu i samoy ru i bala lingkot swa ki examen bat nakini ki saung kinong hikai ngan ya thu ipi arngon naki ki khon te kinong di madan hi ki ba menta ki la adap le ka mcom ki bala adap le ka post graduation in english ki hikai ya kini ki art subject but ni don sa arngot pada i way i ba pass na ka Indian Institute of Mathematical Sciences na Chennai ti bala nang kamu i bat ibaralor kami diban bat jo kia hikai kia ka maths bat ka science but kia le lang tu kia hikai lang bat class 10 bat class 12 bat ni small kuman ba ikun jong kinong di madan wat ladaki kmi ikpa mencim snem kira shem jing ya hadu kata tamban yo ya ka bai bam bai di reki kersan ki kun ba ki kun ru ki long ki kun ki ba tips ni ki ba shimi ka kabu jongka banyo ka jingnang jing start but kani ka program ta ka ni ka long banya risa banya kemen namar ba hakini ki system tam ki klamdon banya small kemen banya risa re ha ki kun jongi ki ai ngi gani ka jing kermen ni dungi ko ban ai blay ki bani kermen ba kini ki tuition ba penya na kaseng kindang beteng ha uning snem ru Panin la pan plan susu ya kerukam trekam yang kani kajing tuition nang ba kitu hikibat bang ya ka jingnang jing start kinyo kajing kersan ba kinya chasma